Banner 9 student was released on October 2021 ahead of priority registration for January interterm and spring semester 2022. With the release of Banner 9 student, the academic advising code will be replaced with an academic advising hold. The code allowed traditional undergraduates to register for courses after typing a unique 6-digit numerical code. Banner 9 student, labeled as Advising Student Profile in the portal for academic advisors, will allow academic advisors to remove the hold ahead of priority registration in a few clicks. Once the hold is removed, it will stay off for the rest of the registration season. The steps repeat every semester ahead of advising and registration season. The new hold process brings benefits to traditional undergraduates. Students no longer have to worry about losing their code. Students no longer have to type the code every time they want to add or drop a course at registration. And students no longer have to email their advisor about the code because they forgot or lost it. This new process also brings benefits to advisors. Advisors no longer have to assign codes. Advisors no longer have to field emails or calls from students about the lost or forgotten code. And advisors can remove the hold in a few clicks. And the holds stay off for the rest of the advising and registration season. If you have questions after watching this video, contact us by visiting us in Woody Hall or our new location in the Abraham Campus Center. Or you can call us at 909-448-4510 or email us at advising@laverne.edu. To remove the code, log into your portal. On the quick links on the left side, look for Advising Student Profile. Select the term from the drop-down menu if you need to. Search your advisee by student ID, by student email, or by student name. We will search the student by student ID. Once you type in the student ID, press enter, and you will notice that the view profile will activate into a green button, and click on the green button. This will take you to the student profile for Carroll Test student. On the far right, you will see registration notices and holds. If you click on registration notices, you will see specific areas that are of interest to you and the student to make sure that the student is ready to register without any delays. If you click on the holds button, you will see the holds that are currently active for this student. If you click on the triangle, it will expand that area to give you more information about that hold. To remove the hold, click on the white box and then click on Release. Type a comment. And then click on OK. You will see a confirmation that you successfully removed the hold. So what happens in the background? Well, in the Banner information system, where administrators and registrar staff go into the student record, the area where the holds are held will list the specific hold for the student. In this case, the hold type is AA. The hold description is the academic advising hold. The reason for the hold is advising appointment and priority registration. And you will notice that the date when the hold was actually released by the advisor changed from a very generic future date to the date that reflects the time when the advisor removed the hold. Thank you for watching this video.